Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm making spicy hash browns for breakfast. Also, you can serve as a tea time snack. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon located next to the subscribe button to stay connected. Let's get started. Let's check out the ingredients. Here I've got 5 tablespoons of plain flour, 4 cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli. This is 700 grams of potatoes. Shred potatoes using a vegetable grater. You can use the big eye grater. Take a bowl of cold water, add grated potatoes into the bowl. Rinse and squeeze out the water. To remove the excess starch, let's rinse one more time. Add into a strainer to drain out the water. Now put it in a cheesecloth or any clean cloth. Squeeze out the excess water completely. Add this into a bowl. Into this I am adding 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri powder, this is for the color, 4 cloves of grated garlic, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 5 tablespoons of plain flour, also called maida. Mix everything well until combined. Take a small portion of this mixture and shape it into a small patty. In a frying pan, heat enough oil to cover the bottom of the pan, about 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil over medium heat. Gently place the potato patties. Do not overcrowd the pan. Fry each side for about 4 minutes or until golden brown. Take them off the pan and place them on a paper towel. Do try this recipe and share your feedback about this recipe in the comments below. These are best served immediately. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.